How to open HEIC extension still images, because it is not opened by any program. So HEIC extension file is not opened by those programs either. So to open HEIC files, go to a browser and search for XnView and press enter. XnView.com, go to that website. I'm using a Windows machine, so for desktop image viewer, click on the first one, go down, and here for Windows the 64-bit setup, and it is being downloaded. Click on the downloaded program, minimize the browser, OK, accept the agreement, next, place it wherever you want, or if you want, leave it unchanged. Click next, yes, install it, next, 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 install. An icon was created, uncheck this visit website, finish, and it has a different icon, and now if I double click on it, voila, it is being read. The next one, it's also an HEIC file, double click on it, and that can be read also. So that's a free method on how to open HEIC extension still images. By the way, if I right click on it and try to open with, let's say, Fastone image viewer, this says that I need some extensions from the Microsoft Store. Those are not free. Right click on it, open with earphone view. This is showing a blank image. Microsoft Paint. Cannot read this file, not a valid bitmap file. Photos, HEVC video extension is required. If you click on download, it's asking for money. And finally, the newly installed XnView is opening the image for free.